Hey everybody, in today's video we're going to be taking a look at my latest purchase from Amazon. This is the smart Wi-Fi security camera from the company Mubview. As always, I will link the item accordingly. I did want to show you the items it comes with, and then we're going to turn it on, take a look at the app, and then look at some of the footage we get with it. It does have a rechargeable battery in it. They give you a USB to Type-C charging cable for charging it. If you've got your own Type-C cable, you could use that as well. 3M tape if you're wanting to mount it with tape. They also give you a metal mounting bracket with some mounting screws. Main reason I went with this one is because it has a magnetic base for mounting. And let me say, that base is really strong. I'm planning on putting this on my bird camera, or on my bird pole, so I can see what's going to my bird feeders. And I think this will be easy as far as the mounting. It's got a standard thread mount, and then you can adjust this ball any way you want to. Take a look at the camera. Again, it has a rechargeable battery. It has a slot down here at the bottom for a micro SD card, and then that's going to be where you plug in your Type-C charging cable for charging it. You'll also notice that it has a regular standard mount. If you've got trail camera mounts or something like that, you should be able to use them just fine with this camera. So let's go ahead, take a look at the app, and then we'll look at some of the footage. All right, so I thought it might be beneficial to give you a look at the app. The app that you're going to be using is the Mubview app. This is a free app. It's really easy to use. I'm not going to show you everything because I don't want to bore you to death. I did want to show you just some basic information. When you log in under your home, you will see all of your devices. You can hook up multiple cameras to this app. I just have this one camera and I renamed it Magnetic Camera. You can see your battery level. You can see your Wi-Fi strength. You'll see this little gear icon over to the right. This is where you can get in and adjust your settings. I can again see my signal strength, but I can do things like, do I want to receive alert notifications? I should mention, if you have this turned on, you will get a notification anytime motion is detected. You can also turn off motion detection. You can share your device with somebody else, maybe a family member or something like that. So that's where all of your settings are. Down at the bottom, you're going to see an option that says messages. When you click on that and then go to alarm messages, this is where you can see all of the triggers that your camera has had. You've got kind of a calendar view up top. You can go to any day in the past or the current day, and you can look and see, okay, what's been going on with my camera. You can see earlier I had it looking at my dog, worked perfectly fine to check on him. Then I took it outside and I put it on my bird pole. If you've got a metal bird pole, it's really easy to be able to mount it. And then again, I can go in and see, what's been going on at my bird feeder. You'll notice that little play button now to the side. Now, if you want to do video, you have to put in a micro SD card. I've got one in. I can download the image, I can delete it, I can take a screenshot of it. You'll notice that it also had sound as well. Video quality is very good. I should have mentioned this earlier. From the very bottom, when you're in your home page, you can click on the play button, and at any time you can go to your camera and do a live view. It takes a little while depending on how good of a Wi-Fi connection you've got. But this is a live view of what my camera is looking at. In the event that there was somebody there, I could also do hold to talk. Maybe you've got an intruder, maybe you've got somebody at your front door, you want to talk to them, you can do that. I can take a screenshot manually at any time. I can manually record as well. I can turn on the light at any time. I'll try and get you guys some footage of nighttime view as well. And then again, I can turn on or turn off motion detection. You want to put it on a bird pole? Watch this. Now, how easy is that? Adjust it, get it whatever level you want to. And there we go. I've got a camera on my bird feeder, and I can use any bird feeder I want to with my regular bird pole. So I always get critters walking through my backyard at nighttime. I thought I would put this out, use it as a security camera at nighttime. Again, look how easy it is to mount it. There we go. As long as you've got metal, it's so easy to take that magnetic base and put it on anything you want to. So I thought I would leave you with some footage that was taken with the motion detection on the camera. Unfortunately, I didn't get any motion detection at nighttime, so hopefully the video I did earlier where I just showed me manually recording it will work. Again, if you're looking for an inexpensive, easy to use security camera, I think this does the trick. As always, if the video helped, thumbs up or appreciated. Thanks for watching.